I got this 22-inch Blackstone, and when I pulled it out, the skillet part has little pins, more or less, that fit into this hole, and then it slides forward, and they've got a pin part and then a wider part right here, and it's supposed to fit into there and then slide. And the front ones get narrower so that it can be held in more or less. The back is just gravity. But when I got it in shipment, those pins just pounded away at this and bent the tar out of it to where the top would not fit on. Now I used a steel bar put inside here. So this is a square. Clamped it and pounded on it and was able to get it flat.